Hello, welcome back to our life skills subject. And I want to say good job to everyone who has done the unit test and all of you pass, okay? Great job for that. Now, let's move to our new lesson today, and that is entitled Clothes and Apparel. So these are examples of clothes. I know you all know what is clothes. What do you mean by clothes? So these are items worn to cover the body. Okay, all the things that we use to cover our body is called clothes. Okay, next, is it the same with apparel? Yes, they are the same. So that's why clothes and apparel. Now, choosing the right clothes for the weather. Why it is important to choose the right clothes to wear? Why? It's a question. Of course, the first one is to make us feel comfortable. We need to choose the right clothes to wear to make us feel comfortable. And the second one is to make us confident, right? If you don't choose the right clothes, then you will not feel comfortable and you will not feel confident. Now let's have here example. During hot weather, so it's important to choose the right clothes for the weather, especially for hot weather. So what types of clothes should we wear? Of course, the clothes should be thin, made of cotton, and it should be light colored clothes. So what are the light colors? Like yellow, white, light blue, or pink. Why do we need light colors for hot weather? Because they absorb less heat. Okay, how about these clothes here? What weather should we wear them? Of course, that is cold weather. During cold weather, we wear this type of clothes which are thick or thicker, such as jumper, jacket, gloves, or hat. So usually during cold weather, we choose dark colors because they absorb more heat. That means it makes us feel warm. Okay, how about rainy season? Look at that. You know, I love rainy season. So what type of clothes should we wear? Of course, we need plastic raincoat, umbrella, and of course, remember to change your clothes as soon as you get home if you do get wet. Why? Because if you don't change your clothes, then you might get sick, right? Okay, let's have here choosing the right clothes for the occasion. So it's also important to choose the right clothes for every occasion. For example, if you are just at home, look at that beautiful home. Does it mean that if you have beautiful home, you need to wear beautiful clothes too? Like gowns? No. Okay, so what should we wear when we are just at home? Of course, like this. Simple, comfortable, and convenient for doing household chores, right? I know you have clothes that you just wear when you are at home. Make sure it's simple, comfortable, and convenient for doing household chores. Next, how about if you're doing sports or exercise? What type of clothes should we wear? It should be flexible, fit your body well in order to support your movements, and able to absorb sweat and be breathable. Okay, it should be like that. So for you to be comfortable while doing your exercise. Next, how about during bedtime? What clothes should we wear? What type of clothes? It should be loose, comfortable, and it can be shorts, pants, or dresses. and they could be thick or thin. Okay, it depends on the weather also, right? There are some days or some nights that cold, and then some nights that are too hot. Okay, next, if you are at school, of course, our clothes should be resistant to washing and ironing because they are used almost every day. And I know you have your school uniform, right? That's what you always wear when you are at school. But if you don't wear your school uniform, of course, that is the time that it will make you feel uncomfortable because you are different, right? Like your classmates are wearing your school uniform and you're not. So it doesn't make you feel comfortable and confident. That's why choosing the right clothes is important. How about when we are traveling? The clothes we wear for traveling should be appropriate for where we are going to. Okay? But the most important, you choose the right clothes that make you feel comfortable. When we go to temples, what type of clothes should we wear? So here, this is the dress code for men. A top that covers your shoulders, any kinds of skirts with sleeves, shirts with sleeves should have sleeves, and the bottom, a bottom wear that is long enough to cover your knees. Okay, and for girls, shirt with sleeves again. It can be long pants as well or long skirts. Shorts or sexy outfits is prohibited. We cannot wear that. Okay, we cannot wear tank top either, or the gym pants or the torn pants. No. Okay, so that's why we need to choose the proper clothes or the right clothes for every occasion. For parties like this, the birthday parties, of course, it depends also. Like if you're attending to a wedding, so you can wear clothes like this, gowns or tuxedo or the formal clothes, right? So it depends. And for a funeral like this, we can wear black or white. Why do we need to wear black or white? Why we cannot wear different types of colored clothes? Okay, so black and white means to show respect to the dead person and his or her family. Okay, so remember that. Now, what are the benefits of choosing the right clothes? Number one, being healthy. Because when you choose or when you wear appropriate clothes, your body gets good protection. Yes, and that makes us healthy. Like during rainy season or cold season, if you are wearing thin clothes, of course, it will make you sick. It will not make you healthy because it doesn't give enough protection for your body. Okay, so we need to choose the right clothes. Next, it makes us having or gives us a good personality. Okay, because when you wear appropriate clothes, you will be confident in doing your activities. Like if you are doing some exercise and you are wearing the right clothes, then you will feel confident to do your exercise or sports, right? For example, you are playing football, but you're not wearing the right clothes for football, then you will not feel comfortable. You will not be confident to play football, right? So that's it. Next is to getting nice words from other people for wearing the right clothes. Of course, we can get compliments from other people. They will say, "Wow, I love your clothes today. It's beautiful." But if you don't wear the right clothes, the right type of clothes for every occasion, for every weather, then they might say, "Why are you wearing that? You look weird." So no, they will not say nice words, right? So make sure we learn to choose the right clothes in every occasion, or for every occasion, or according to the type of weather we have. Okay, now I want you to answer this. That will be your homework. Write what occasion is each picture or clothing worn. Okay, so write your answer in the box. And for another one, choose 5 pictures of you wearing different types of clothes and label them which occasion that you wear them. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you on our next lesson.